examination center is very much in flow. Okay, sure. So don't think that the exam will be not will be getting postponed. Okay, sure. No, not at all. There is a very least until and unless something very terrible happens, exam is not getting postponed. Okay. Suppose we take it down with an acceleration of total force 5 minus 4 upon total mass. Sure. So the total influencing or effective force on 3 is 3 into 4g by 6. Clear? Sure. It is an outcome of 3g being opposed by the T2. So T2 equal to 3g minus है ना 120 g by so 180 दिखता है 180 minus 120 is 60 by g. क्लियर तो 10 आया भाई 10 by 3 कहाँ आ रहा है कौन बोल रहा है कि 10 by 3 आ रहा है Muthu Ganpati, here it's a suspended body, so you will have to find the tension by the application of the concept of free body diagram. Okay? Yeah, this is a formula which we used. Clear? Got it. Repeat. Adhyaman, see. Adhyaman and to everyone else. This is a suspended body, right or not? Please understand. Clear? Which direction you consider the scenario to be moving? Most of you will be like, sir, it will be going this way. Yes or no? Sure. No doubt. Yeah. With what acceleration will it go? So acceleration is equals to total force upon total mass. What is the total force? 5g to the right hand side, 1g to the left hand side. So 4g. Yes or no? By total mass is 6. Got it? Good. So this is a influencing acceleration. One second, guys. Guys, अच्छा, so you are not. Okay, I'll talk to him later. Actually, to your seniors, what is the scene is, to your seniors, what is the scene? They have the JE exam also, okay, and the date of JE is same as the date of UPSC NDA. The problem with the scene is that JE, they have selected the center as their home, Bihar and all, whereas UPSC, they have selected the center as Madurai, right or not? Like you guys have selected the center, right? Now it is a problematic scene. Yeah, same day. 6th is the date for JE also. 6th September is the date for two exams for same qualification. That is the yeah, exactly. That is the only reason causing confusion among the community. But some days back, JE, the NTA, National Testing Agency, you know, right? You know, NTA is the authority which conducts other entrance exams, right or not? So the NTA had published a public notice that those who are having UPSC NDA exam can opt for other dates. So if you know, JE happens online and it happens in a span of 4 days, right or not? So it is actually starting from 5th Saturday, 6th, 7th and 8th. Okay, so what they have said ki those who are not having, sorry, those who are having NDA, they will surely not be available on this day. So they have the three options to be selected from. But again, the same scenario as you guys have. How will they travel back? Traveling back is impossible. You can't travel back to Bihar in 2 days, right? How long it takes in general from the school to like you guys pick up your train from 3 days. Coimbatore, you take your train or you go to Chennai? Coimbatore, a direct train is available, right? Hmm. It will be taking odd 45 hours. How many? Hmm. See scenarios. No, that's the only, as of now, that's the only point of confusion between the masses. Okay, so back. So guys, got it. What happened? So we consider that okay, the total acceleration on this block is this. Analyzing this acceleration, we said okay, so if this is acceleration, the effective force acting on this is mass times acceleration. That is 20, right? 20 is an outcome. Actually, the force which was applied was 30 minus tension. So the tension is 10. Got it? Got it. Yes or no? This is where we were yesterday. This is what we discussed yesterday, right? Yeah. Today talking about friction. So, what is friction? Friction as a force, opposing force, okay? Okay, friction as a force acts opposite to the direction of motion. Am I right? No. It also acts opposite to the direction of tendency to move. Okay. Dekho, it is not mandatory for a friction to come into action that the object must be in moving. The object might try to move, the friction will come into action. Got it? Like on a plane surface, if there is a dabba and this dabba is there without experiencing any external force, only mg is here and there is a normal reaction. Clear? If the coefficient of friction is 0.2, what is the friction acting? 0. Why Adhiman? No, Nirmal beta, right now 0. Okay? Why? Exactly. No tendency to move, right? No, it is not at all in a mood to move. So it is having, yeah, exactly, right? So, fine. But if I'll apply a force of 1 Newton, consider this to be of 2 kgs. Then what is the friction acting? Hmm. 0.4 Newton. How come Adhyamaya? You said mu into m into g. That is to 4, sorry. No, beta. See, understand this. Understand this, guys. I will not explain. May I directly come to the conclusive line? What you should remember? Or should you want me to derive everything and all that? Not required, right? You have anyway grown up to 12th grade, right? Yeah, very good. See, understand. Simply understand, simply understand, simply understand, simply understand. Okay. Whenever a question of friction comes, you see two things. Okay. Whether body is moving or body is not moving. Clear? Sure. If the body is moving, friction acting is mu times n. If a body is not moving, friction acting is equals to force applied. Got it? Like consider the very first case when even this was not there. So you said what is the friction acting? Force applied. What is the force applied? 0. So friction is also 0. Got it? Sure. Right. Now understand this. By when you see when a 1 Newton force is applied, how do you know whether 1 Newton is sufficient enough to make the body move or not? For that scenario, you will have to take an extra step. Okay. At times, it might not be directly given whether a body is moving or not. You will have to understand it indirectly. So, for always, you will have to calculate the maximum possible friction. Maximum possible friction is mu into n. In this case, it was 4 Newton, right or not? Clear? So by this line, you are very much clear that till the time you are increasing this 1 to 4, the body will not move. So if a force is applied of 1.5, the friction will be 1.5. If force is applied of 3.9, the friction will be 3.9. If a force is applied of 4, the friction is 4. If a force is applied as 4.1, what is the friction? इतना मेहनत सब खराब 4 exactly. If a नहीं अरे नहीं शरण बेटा नहीं शरण देख 4 ठीक है फोर्स इक्वल टू 0 से लेकर फोर्स इक्वल टू म्यू एन तक फ्रिक्शन इज इक्वल टू फोर्स ग्रेटर देन म्यू एन friction is mu n. Got it? Chamka? Everyone? Got it? Got it. Easy? क्वेश्चन का जवाब देना बड़ा मजा आया ठीक है this is 1 kg this is 4 kg clear the coefficient of friction is 0.2 newton not newton sorry coefficient of friction is unitless sorry yeah? Clear a force of understand this a force of a force of a force of 12 newton is applied a force of 12 newton is applied clear what is the friction acting below M1? Simple question. M1 equal to, sorry, M1 means, sorry, 1 kg. I'll rather write force friction at 1 kg. Okay, yeah.
That 1948 era, you have to give the more concentrations. Then next week we will have a
Hmm. So easy. You will first of all measure, yeah, is the system coming into motion, yes or no? For that, what will you see? You will see that, okay, this total system is experiencing a friction of mu into n. Yes or no? Clear? So 10 Newton. The force applied is greater than 10 Newton, hence the system will come into movement. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? Good. So the system is coming into movement. Clear? Friction will be 0.2 into 10 2 न्यूटन. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? mg बेटा, mg total mass, भाई. The total system has to come into movement ना धरनी. हाँ, normal reaction is ये किसने कहा? ये किसी ने कहा क्या? नहीं. Right, Nirmal? Friction under this is coming as 2 Newton. Friction under this will be coming as 4 Newton, I guess. 4, 10, 40. No, 8 Newton, sorry. Clear? Yeah. Got it? Easy. Repeat. Mathu Ganpati. How 8 Newton? Beta, we are sure that this system will come to motion, yes or no? Hmm. When the system is moving, the friction is mu times n. Mu times for 4 kg mass into acceleration. Clear? For 1 kg, mu times mass into acceleration. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Hmm. Good. Understood? A simple question. This is an inclined plane. theta equal to 30 degree. If the coefficient of friction is 0.6, if the coefficient of friction is 0.6, okay, so there is a block whose mass is 2 kg, is just kept. Tell me whether this block will be able to slide down or not. No force is like from our end, no force is applying, only natural forces are being applied on the block. Will the block slide itself? Yes or no? No by Ravi Shankar. Okay. Chalo, good, good. Some people are saying yes. So who is pulling it down? The one pulling it down is mg sine theta. Mg sine theta. 10 Newton. Who is holding it back? Yes or no? Who is holding it back? Friction. What is friction? Mu into n. What is n? Mg cos theta. Mg cos theta. Yes or no? You don't know, beta? Kavipriyan? This is mg cos theta, na? And this is mg sin theta. Right? Yeah, good, good, good. So mu mg cos theta. Clear? So is friction greater than mg sin theta, less than or equal to? Yeah, don't get confused, okay? Friction is greater than. So as per Adhyaman, yes or no? The block should not move. Now, how will you spend all this time? No. Simply check if you are at equal position, guys. 11th grade normal concept is there. If you are at equal position, mg sin theta should be equal to mu mg cos theta, yes or no? Then beta, you have to just check whether sin theta by cos theta, okay, that is tan theta, is equal to mu. This is called angle of friction, right or not? Right? If it is greater, the block will slide. If it is less, the block will not slide. Clear or not? Now tan 30 is 1 by root 3, 1.7. And mu is given as 0.6. So is this like 10 by 17? 0.100. 6 sevens are 42. No, it's less than 6 beta. It's less. Okay. That means the block will not move. Got it?
Degree for this one. Now you
Good. Easy.
half mark.
Good. So this was about tension and friction. Clear? Talking about conservation of momentum and collision. So before walking into this, guys, you know that work energy theorem states No beta, if tan theta is greater than mu, movement less than mu, movement no. Clear? यहाँ tan theta ही है. Adiman, any doubt? Beta, suppose there is an inclined plane, okay? The coefficient of friction at the inclined plane is mu. Fine. And the angle it makes with the horizontal axis is theta. Then, without application of any force, will the box slide down itself or not? Simple question here. You guys have done it at school. I know this. You have a teacher's desk, yes or no? You have a duster, yes or no? This is the horizontal plane, yes or no? Just think about yourself. Haven't you played as a kid? You used to elevate this desk, yes or no? To see when the duster will come automatically on a slide. Say yes. You have done this. Yeah, right? So, as you know, that as you go from 0 to infinity, tan increases, right or not? Not 0 to infinity, 0 to 90, right or not? As you go from angle 0 to 90, the tan increases. So initially tan was smaller, so the duster remains at its place. Okay, so and then there will come an extent when tan will be greater than mu. So you know the answer, right? Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Right? Yes, up to 11th grade you guys might have done, na? Haven't you done this in 11th grade? 11th grade, I remember tan theta equal to mu is a, yeah. Chalo, back to agenda. It is at the verge, beta. It is the condition of limiting friction. Okay, Kalpriyan? There exists a static friction, there is a kinetic friction, and there is a limiting friction. This is that condition. Okay, yeah. Everyone, GI, got it? There is a simple, beautiful question. Huh? Okay, this is 2 kg. Fine. The coefficient of friction is 0.2. First of all, will it come to a slide by itself? Yes or no? Very good. Anna? Good. Now, yeah, very good, very good. Now, the question is, understand the question, okay? You are standing here, sitting here. Now, why will you stand? You are sitting here, okay? Sure. Connected with a string fine, which is non-stretchable in nature. Okay, it is a non-stretchable string. It is not a spring. It is just a string which cannot be stretched. Okay, sure. What is the tension in the string if the block is just not moving? What is the tension in the string if the block is just not moving? Good. 1 Newton by Ganesh. So guys, simple, no? Simple. Root 2 by Kalriti. Good. So everyone is like, who is pulling it down? So the answer is mg 20 sine 45. Yes or no? Who is pulling it up? Two things, the tension and friction. Right or not? Minus friction. What is the friction? What is the friction? What is the friction? Mu mg cos theta. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Solve it, please, solve it, please, solve it, please, solve it, please. है ना? Anyway, 1 by root 2 is common. You guys are not solving, and even 20 is common. Okay. In the bracket, you have 1 minus 2 by 10. So 8 by 10. So 16 by 10. Or 8 root 2. Yes or no? Yeah. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Easy. Okay. Chalo. Fairly enough about friction. Okay. Right. Okay. So ready, guys? Very, very important chapter, beta. Guaranteed question rotation. Okay. Guaranteed question. It never happened that question did not come. Okay. So 11th grade you had this chapter, right or not? Rotational mechanics, center of mass, center of gravity, moment of inertia, omega as angular velocity, alpha as angular acceleration, I as moment of inertia, right or not? Acha, you tell me, out of a ring, okay, and a disk, this is a disk and this is a ring of equal radius, the moment of inertia is higher for I yeah, good. So you have that basic idea because guaranteed question is there from there. Okay. So a guaranteed question. It never happens that from moment of inertia never a question came. Okay. It always a case that minimum one question will be there. Clear? Ciao. Fine. So today you have one more lecture at 12. Huh? That will be mathematics. Then evening also we are meeting today. Okay. Sure. 6 p.m. Clear? Good. Thank you very much for your time, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.